Hey, I'm Boots. I'm part of the maintenance and operations team. We go by Ops. And I think my favorite part of the job is the team. It definitely is what you make it, but our team is filled with all different types of personalities, all people from all over the country, and we've really created a family. Not to mention our leader, Apex, is incredible.
My name is Jet. I'm from Colorado. I'm on the ops staff.
My name is Courtney Dobbins. I go to Point Loma Nazarene University, and I am on the operations and maintenance team here at YSSC. I think one of my favorite parts of the job is kind of being responsible for just the upkeep of camp.
I mean, clearly all the stuff that Apex, our boss, has taught us, just about like how a camp runs and like how to fix certain things, or like even if you knew a bit about a certain thing. I learned a lot about just those types of things, like a few wrenches I knew how to use before I came here. He taught me how to use them better, which is actually really cool.
I've really enjoyed learning all sorts of handiwork, whether that be chopping wood or learning how to do the dishes correctly or learning how to patch drywall. I even got to learn how to reroute the Wi-Fi, which was really cool this year, this summer. And I think the best part about learning all these very necessary life skills is that it's something that you take away from the summer that is going to help you influence your life after this.
My work ethic and just being humble, like in the process of life, kind of. You just truly get to feel what it's like to be a true servant of God while you're on ops. And I think that's a very valuable lesson that everybody can take away from this.
When you're not on dinner pit and you don't have to do trash, then you're free for that night, and that means that you get to go be a part of any night game or any type of event that's happening at camp, whether that be Oak Leaf Tuesday or any type of worship on Star Rock. You're free to go do that, and it is what you make of it. Other than that, being a cabin buddy has been really incredible for me. I've gotten to influence kids, I think, really well, and they've also influenced me.
We can do activities with them, and another special thing that we get to do is some nights we get to do recap and tuck-ins with the campers, and that's such a special thing that I loved doing.
Or you could be on Canteen, which is one of my favorite things because it's really face-to-face interaction with the kiddos. And the Canteen is our little gift shop that we have open for the kids, and all ops runs that. And so the kids will come in, it's open during their free time, and buy goodies.
You have the opportunity to choose how much or how involved you are with the kids too. So there's not really a not fun thing about being here. It's just, I'm surprised we get paid to do this stuff. So.
When I was offered the operations job at first, it's not something that I was super excited about because I didn't know what was in store. But knowing what this camp does and the opportunities to grow in my own faith and help campers grow in their faith was something that I still wanted to be a part of no matter what the job entailed.
I would say I was just really attracted to the idea of living in a community with people that share the same morals as me, and going home for the summer wasn't really something that I was that interested in, where I could have a possible step back in my faith, and this summer has really shown me that I just always have the ability to be going forward in everything I'm doing. So.